Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create this recipe app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is going to be built using an API. So in the navigation bar there is the search box where we can type any food and click on the search button. So using the API it is fetching the recipe of the given item. We can click on this button to view the recipe. So this is basically the demo of the website. Now let's see how to create this website in the source code. So this is the source code of the recipe website. So this is the HTML document having a basic HTML layout. This is the main part of body where the whole thing is created. This is the CSS file. You can get the source code in description box and modify it according to yourself. So this is the JavaScript file. So now let's get to the website. Since now you have seen the code, you can better understand this. So this was all about this recipe website. You can get the code in description box. Thank you.